Beyond Curacot, Proverbs, a guide for every Juan and Juana. Life in the Philippines, we work hard, diba? We sweat to provide for our families, hoping for a better future. But then we see it, the Curacot, the corruption. The politician with a mansion bigger than a school. The contractor using substandard materials for our roads. It feels like our hard work is being stolen. That's where Proverbs hits home. It's not just for politicians. It's for every Juan and Juana trying to make an honest living. Proverbs 10:2 tells us, ill-gotten treasures profit nothing. But righteousness brings deliverance from death. Ibig sabihin yung perang ninakaw, walang kwenta. Yan, hindi ka niya nililigtas. Pero kung matino ka, kung tama ang ginagawa mo, yun ang magdadala sa'yo sa magandang kinabukasan. Think about it. That politician might have a fancy car, but can they sleep soundly at night? Do they have the respect of their community? Proverbs 11:4 reminds us, riches are worthless in the day of wrath, but righteousness brings deliverance from death. Ibig sabihin, pagdating ng panahon, hindi ka maililigtas ng pera mo. Pero kung mabuti kang tao, kung tumutulong ka sa kapwa mo, yun ang mahalaga. It's like when you help a neighbor in need, or stand up for what's right even when it's hard. That feeling of doing good, that's worth more than any amount of money. So what can we do? We can start small. We can refuse to pay bribes, even if it means waiting a little longer. We can support businesses that are honest and ethical. We can teach our children the importance of integrity, and we can pray for our leaders that they will choose righteousness over corruption. Let's remember, it's not just about the big-time Curacot. It's about our everyday choices. Are we being honest in our dealings? Are we treating others with respect? Are we standing up for what's right? Let Proverbs be our guide. Let's build a Philippines where honesty and integrity are valued above all else. A Philippines where every Juan and Juana can live with dignity and hope. Manalangin po tayo, Panginoon. Dumudulog po kami sa iyo. Gawaran mo po ng karunungan at lakas ang aming mga pinunong matuwid upang mahuli at mapanagot ang lahat ng sangkot sa korupsyon. Patnubayan mo po sila sa kanilang mga desisyon at bigyan ng tapang na harapin ang anumang pagsubok. Naway manaig po ang katarungan sa aming bayan. Sa pangalan ni Jesus, aming Diyos at tagapagligtas, kami po ay nananalangin. Amen. Like, share, follow, comment, subscribe.